Because of the Ukrainian war, we have changed our logo to the Ukrainian flag. Please donate to the Ukrainian Red Cross to help injured people in the war. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own contact widget for your website. And the first step is you want to go over to Devi Coding. You want to go to widgets. And you want to go click contact form. So this is my own demo one. You can see this is what your one should look like. And the first step you want to do to creating this widget is click create widget, and it'll take you to whatever website I created it with. I used Elfsight to create this. I also used Power, Google Forms, and lots of other places. Now I'm going to let this load. Let's do email form. This is what I use all the time. Continue with template. Now it's got everything we want for over here. You can change the header or the footer, the bottom of the page. Now for mail, we want to make who it's mailed to. Subject, demo mail, demo contact, new email. Like that. We want to put in your email at 2. Go to additional mail settings. We're going to copy CC, hidden copy BCC, and reply to. So it works. Now you can go to settings. You can change the action after you submit. It can be a thank you message. I'm going to do that. Messages. It has all these bots. Recaptcha and integrations. Then there's appearance. You can change the color. I might change it to red. Like that. Then we want to have flat rounded. You can change the width. We want it boxed. And yeah. So now you want to click join to install. So now you have to sign up. You can put it in your email. I might sign up with Google. Click that. Now let it wait. And you'll go over to here. Now, then you want to go to save. Click whatever you want. I use light. And you can copy this and add it to your website. And it should work. You can put it to your dev site, like I showed you, or on your Google site with the embed thing, anywhere. You can put your code anywhere on any single website builder, and it'll work. It'll come out. This is embed code, by the way, so it should work on every single one. And yeah, so that's how you make a contact form. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!